Good morning, my dear students. Hope everyone is good and safe at home. So, before going to start this poem, I'd like to repeat what we learned till today, means what we have finished till today. So, my dear friends, I would like to repeat that we have 8 units and 3 supplementaries. In 8 units, we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 means 10. The first unit, A Tiger in the House, and the poem is Self Reliance. Second unit, A Soldier's Son, and the poem is If. The third one is A Letter from the Mother. So, Mindo surprise. Now I am going to take. Fourth one, The Blind Dog. The poem is Sonnet. And fifth one is India Thought the eyes of eyes of a foreigner, and the poem is The Solitary Repair. That the India thought of the eye for foreigners, it's very actually beautiful lesson, and for that I am going to send questions for these questions tomorrow or in the next class. So now today let's start the poem, that is Mean Do Surprise. Mean Do is nothing but grassland. Okay, meadow is nothing but a grassland on which cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. So, walk across a green field, a park, or even under the clump of tree, and you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen eyes and the sharp ears? This meadow is nothing but a grassland. The grassland is sometimes it is say that the importance of grassland is nothing but so grassland of which cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. And sometimes we may also go to the park and take rest and sit, lay down. And children's is the best place in garden, that is this meadow only. So walk across the green field. Okay, if you walk in the garden, in the park, okay, you will see that it will be wonderful things, which is some of surprises. It is having some surprises in that garden. Meadow have surprises. You can find them if you look. So that meadow is a surprise things for everyone, and always if you look at the things clearly. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. If you walk on that grass, so you will feel that is the violet cotton like that. You may see the butterfly rest upon the buttercup. So you may see that sometimes a water on the grass is enjoyed, and if you see from the far distance, it looks very beautiful, and it is suitable for the butterflies also to do. I enjoy and unfold its drinking tray to sip the nettle up. So for some small seeds, for some animals, some sort of playing, some sort of sitting and eating, this window is a surprise to all. Okay, so window have surprised. You can find them if you look. Means that if you look the things neatly from your good heart, it looks like beautiful. Walk softly through the violet grass and listen by the brook. If you listen the beauty of the things, so you will feel that is very beautiful. You may see a butterfly. You may see butterfly sitting on the meadow and rest upon buttercup and unfold its drinking straws. So the water on the main door in the summer, in the rainy season, looks very nice. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. So you may scare the square by sitting in the field. Its look, it may get scared. Though at the first you may not see him when he hopes you will. So this butterfly may be hidden somewhere. So if you put your legs on the main door, so it will go and it will start moving from that place. Okay, so you may scare a rabbit who is still sitting very still. Though at first you may not see them. When you see the rabbit, so when rabbit sees you, it may jump from that place to next place. A dandelion whose fun's head was golden days ago has turned into airy, okay, pursuits that flutter when you blow. Sometimes what happen, if you fill the water properly, if you feed the water properly to the meandole, it looks very nice. It's sometimes it looks more than flower. Explore the meadow houses, the burrow in the garden, a nest bent tall grass, the ants amazing mound. So it is very good for the ants to see, and its look a beautiful nature for the ants also. It means that this some white rats, okay, white rabbits, uh, red ants, black ants, and some sort of so many insects. I can say that many n number of colors, insects, animals, and small kind of creature of God, creature of nature you can see on the window surprises. Okay, so window have surprised, you can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking strives to sip the nettle up. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still. Though at first you may not see him, when he hopes you will. Uh, Danglun, whose head was golden days ago, he is turned to airy, okay, pursuits. So that flutter when you blow. Explore the meadow houses, the borers in the garden ground, the nest bends, tall grasses, and ants amazing pond. Sometimes what happens, so on the meadow, if it is means a grassland, if the grass grows little bit high, and may construct their houses. Oh, Mindo have surprise and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look at and listen well. So, like that, there are so many things to express, so many things to say about this Mindo, and you may see yourself when you keep on going on, when you keep on discovering the things. So, here let's see some glossaries, my dear friends. Meadow is nothing but grassland on which cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. Brook means a small stream. Drinking straw means long tube-like part of the mountain on the insides. Means a shrinkle, means water shrinkle. Fuzz is like a fine soft mass of hair. Okay, so explore is nothing but here look carefully. Explore in the sense you have to see carefully. If you see carefully on the grass side, on the meadow side, so you will come to know the nature of the beauty. Buttercup is nothing but wild plant with yellow flower. Buttercup is nothing but a flower that is having yellow color. Okay, dandelion is nothing a small white plant with a bright yellow flower. It is also a kind of flowers grows usually in the garden. Floater is nothing but here move in the air. So if you feel, if you enjoy, if you want to enjoy the garden, if you enjoy in the garden, so if you walk on the window, it looks very beautiful. Okay, burrow is a hole in the ground made by an animal, especially a rabbit, in which its lives are hidden. So it's very common thing. Okay, so sometimes a rabbit, sometimes some kinds of animals, small animals, okay, like rats or some insects, so they dig on the ground and make their house. Mound is nothing but a raised mass of earth. Okay, so nectar is nothing but sweet liquid in flower. So it is liked by the most butterflies, like in the garden. Scare is nothing but cause great fear of us nervousness. So these ants, okay, may get fear of the human being, because being may run or may kill that small ants. Discover is nothing but find unexpectedly. So discover is nothing but, so you know the, I think you might have seen the channel of Discovery Animal Planet like this. Discover means finding. Okay, so these are very important glossaries. If you come to know the glossaries, so it is very easy to you all. So meadow is nothing but grassland on which cattle, sheep, etc. may feed. Brook is nothing but a small stream. Drinking straw is nothing but long, okay, tube like part of the mouth of an insect. Okay, fuzzy is nothing but like a fine soft mass of hair. Explorer is here look carefully at. Buttercup is nothing but wild plant with yellow flower. Okay, dandelion is nothing but small white plant with bright yellow flower. Floater is nothing but here move in the air. Burrow is nothing but a hole in the ground made by an animal, especially a rabbit, in which it lives or hides. Mound is nothing but a raised mass of earth. Nicotin Netor is nothing but sweet liquid in flower. Scare is nothing but cause great fear or nervousness. Discoveries find unexpectedly. So this is a glossary, friends. If you read glossaries properly, so it will be very easy for you to continue or to understand this poem very easily. So now I would like to read once again this poem, my dear friends. Walk across a green field, a park, or even under clump of trees, or and you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprise a meadow has for someone with a keen eyes and a sharp ear? Meadow have surprised. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the violet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup, unfold its drinking strip to sip a nectar up. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him when he hopes you will. A dandelion whose fuzz head was golden days ago has turned to airy, okay, parachutes that flutter when you blow. Explore the meadow houses, the burrow in the ground, the nest beneath tall grasses, the ants amaze mound. Oh, meadow have surprised and many things to tell. You may discover this yourself if you look and listen well. If you want to see, if you want to enjoy the things, so you have to go to garden or park or field where it grows, and you can see the importance and you can enjoy the things, everything. Okay, So with this, students, my dear students, I would like to conclude the things that this is very beautiful poem. That is Mean to Surprise. It is having so many surprises. If you go to park, if you see the growing things, and you will enjoy a lot. So my dear students, this is the poem. I'm going to conclude. So soon I'm going to send the question answers for these questions. Make a note and try to write neatly if possible. So come to school and get it corrected. You may come or your parents may come and get it corrected. And I have already given the grammar notes also. For that also you keep on writing the things. So as I have told in the initial of this class that, so now as of today we have finished 5 proses and 5 poetries. So only the thing was left is this window surprise. Now I have finished. So this I am going to send the question answers soon, and the poem this and the lesson part. Okay my dear students, so thank you so much. So see you, take care. Okay.
Mama.